Cruising through English. Understanding, cruise around. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fun and useful phrase, cruise around. This expression is common in everyday English, and understanding it can really add some flair to your conversational skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to cruise around. Cruise around is an idiomatic expression that primarily means to move or travel around in a relaxed or leisurely manner. It often implies a sense of freedom and ease. Think of it like this: when you're cruising around, you're not in a rush, you're just enjoying the journey. This phrase can be used in different contexts, like driving, walking, or even browsing the internet. Let's look at some examples to see how cruise around is used in everyday speech. 1. Driving context. On weekends, I love to cruise around the countryside in my car. It's so relaxing. 2. Walking context. We spent the afternoon cruising around the mall, just window shopping and chatting. 3. Digital context. I spent hours last night just cruising around different websites, looking for travel ideas. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting into various activities where movement and leisure combine. When using cruise around, remember it's about a leisurely pace. It's not used for fast or hurried movements. Saying, "I need to cruise around to get to my meeting on time," is incorrect because it contradicts the relaxed nature of the phrase. And there you have it. You're now ready to add cruise around to your English vocabulary. Use it when you talk about leisurely travels or movements, and sound like a native speaker. Hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.